Okay, guys, so I'm looking at I come out from my backyard and then I look out my window and I see a woodpecker on this tree. It had orange hair and, well, not hair, feathers, and it just looked really cool. And then I tried to get my tablet on time, but I don't know what happened to it. I don't know where it is right now. It's probably still on this tree somewhere. I just don't know where. So, oh yeah, sorry if you guys can hear any background stuff. My brother's watching some YouTube. I think I scared it because this part right here. I accidentally smacked it a little bit. Oh, I thought that was so cool. Encounter. Whoa, did I just see it? No, it's like a tree actually. Wait, you guys see that right? Okay, I don't think you guys caught that. Looks so cool. Well, anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna subscribe and I'll see you back. I'm gonna update you if I see it. If I see the woodpecker again. Alright, peace.